Model, 2016 Volkswagen Crafter CR35 2.0TDI BlueMotion Tech 109 PS long wheelbase, HR 67 miles no VAT. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 67,273. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0TDI 109 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, needs a bit of easy start to get it running, the engine is perfect. It either needs injectors or fuel pump replacing, low fuel pressure fault codes, either way straightforward simple repair job grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear.